This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your online status on the Reddit app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Reddit app. To enable or disable your online status, you want to go up to the upper right hand corner up to your little profile icon. As you can see, I have a little green dot on my profile icon that says that I'm online. You want to tap on the profile icon. Then right below your username it says online status. My online status is on. I'm going to tap on that. Now my online status has been turned off. And to re-enable it, you just follow the same steps, and you want to tap on online status off, and it is now turned back on. That is how to enable or disable your online status on the Reddit app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.